Welcome back to my channel again. So today I'm going to show you 5 areas where you can use water resistance, different materials that I'm going to show you, and I'll explain every step that what I've done. You can actually use the same thing in your paintings as well and reduce your effort. So stick around till the end so I can actually explain each and everything and then the things that you can actually do with them. So the first one is the mountain. So I've already prepped a little bit of area here. So as you can see, this is a snow mountain even on the left hand side. So light is from the right hand side and the shadow part is on the left side. I'm just using the color mixture of magenta and ultramarine blue just to get that violetish or bluish shadow. Like I said, this is actually going to be a snow mountain. Light is from right, so on the right hand side actually it's more bright, and then wherever I'm just trying to cover the area with all these paints, but main thing is you can notice that wherever it doesn't it is left as white, so that's where I've applied candle wax. So even on the right hand side I've done the same thing. You can actually do it in 2 or 3 different ways. If it is the mountain with the mud or even small boulders or stones, so what you can do is first apply the color and then apply the wax, then apply the second layer. So I've done the same thing in the next one, so you will get an idea exactly. It's not that every time you have to use it on a plain sheet of paper. As you can see on the right hand side, I just wanted a little bit of dots here and there where shadows are there, some heaps of snow or whatever it is. So that's the main thing. So that's just about the painting. So you got an idea exactly how to use it for the mountains. And the next one is, as you can see, I'm using just to get an idea exactly, although I keep saying that I've applied. So this is just a candle, say plain simple candle, birch tree trunks that which I have drawn and painted. What I've done is I've just painted a little bit of shadow side and then bright side on the right hand side. Light is again from right hand side here, and made some marks for, because if I don't do those marks for the birch tree or aspen tree, I might not be able to paint on top of the candle wax. So you have to just keep that in mind. Once this is done, try to manage. See, this is a small area which is of 5 by 7, but you have to keep in mind that try to keep as much as possible the crisp edge. So that crisp edge comes from your crisp corner of edge of your brush. As you can see, I'm not worried about if something goes on top of the tree, although I'm try your best, because what happens is sometimes if you are I'm trying to remove whatever is on top of that candle wax or on the tree trunk. Once that is done, try to make sure that you can actually manage the edge, because I wanted my edge to be crisp. So that's the reason that I'm trying to, but only thing is you don't need to worry about if what happens if it goes on top of that. So that's the main thing. One first wash was when I painted the sky. As you can see, I just didn't even worry about it. So here at least you have less to worry and more of washes where everything actually goes according to your painting. If not, what happens is you just have to concentrate on negative painting. So this is all about it. This entire painting is actually going to be on the separate video, but just at least you get an idea exactly where else you can actually use it. First painted, then layered with wax, then after that continued with layers of paints. And as of the third one, it's a leaf, simple leaf. So you might have seen these leaves, you might have painted this, but here negative painting again actually is, it's not difficult, but main thing is with watercolor actually if you can use washes straight away with color on top of each other, and then it just does its own job. The best part is that you just use bigger brush and then wash it, although I'm using a smaller brush pen. If not, you can actually use brush pen and then a bigger brush and then just wash it. So main thing is I'm trying to make sure that it covers all the area. As you can see that those dots wherever it's white is just the wax. I've just used it on white paper, and then now I'm trying to get a little bit of contrast to that. There is no hard and fast rule, but these types of leaves are there. You can actually see if I wanted those dots, white dots which are on the leaf, if I wanted them to be of different color, what I would have done is just apply the colors as those dots marks, then apply wax on top of that like we did for the tree, and then after that start applying the other layers. So here all I'm trying to do is I'm just trying to get a little bit of contrast to that leaf. Other than that, it's just a simple leaf. The same thing, you can actually use it for different effects. It's just the color leaf, and then as you can see, it just is easier when compared to negative painting. So out of these three, the leaf was the easiest one. The other two are actually, all of them are easy actually, exactly when you know how to do them. So those two completed paintings I'm going to upload just after this week and the next week, and watch for those videos. And the other two out of five, the other two are left. Those two I've already uploaded. The links are in the description, or otherwise it might appear somewhere on the top, so you can actually go and watch those. One I've used candle wax, and the other one oil pastel. So one is the waterfall, which is the very easiest one, so you can actually try it out, and the other one is the sunset with white oil pastel. So all of them are used I've used oil pastel or otherwise wax. Very easy to do, and you can actually, once you get an idea exactly, you know where and how to use them. So come up with your own ideas, and then let me know how it turns out, and then I'll see you in my next video.